on the future of all this. Like you said, MDMA, psilocybin, these other things are coming. What are your thoughts around, the psilocybin, like on its way? Is that ever going to be, that could be like, can you experience that in the clinic soon? Like where is that going to go?
Yeah, I think it'll be a couple more years before it's available,
Mm.
FDA approved and available in a clinic. There are people doing work with it in Oregon.
Mm.
There are people doing work with it in Oakland and in Denver,
Mm.
but it's not federally legal. And so there's a lot of risk and complication there, and it's not available, generally in California. So it will get FDA approval, hopefully, and be on the market in a couple of years.
Mm.
And it has an amazing ability to really transform people, both on what it does to the brain as well as the experiential aspect that we've been talking
So
about.
what does it do to the brain exactly?
I mean, it acts similar. So I'm not an expert on the neurochemistry around psilocybin, but it acts similar to ketamine in that it helps to create neurogenesis. So it increases neuroplasticity and it disrupts negative thought patterns
What's
and loops.
neuroplasticity?
The brain's ability to form new connections.
Mm.
So it can really help to people to get out of that rut, of just kind of being in this loop of doing the same thing or thinking the same negative thoughts or self-doubt or criticism or negativity or thoughts of hopelessness. It can really reset that.
Wow.
And with the right support, it can help people to reaffirm new positive ways of thinking and being that can be very, very meaningful.
Because like you're a product of your thoughts,
Yeah.
right? And so if you can change these thoughts, like someone could be, so have you seen someone like be thinking a certain way that's just really tore their life apart and had a transformation to that kind of just dissolved and went away?
Absolutely. All the time. All the time. All the time.
It's huge. And that's the thing. Like you said, no one's really shouting it from like the rooftop. Like that's huge.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's amazing.
Because in addiction, right, you have a thought which triggers an emotion, which triggers a reaction.
Right.
The reaction being substances.
Right.
I can't deal with my emotions.
Yeah.
Because they're having this thought.
We are what we think about, yeah.
So,
and perception is reality. And if your perception is you're a scumbag and no one loves you and you're never going to be happy, then that's your reality.
That's your reality. Yeah.
And if something that happened to you when you were young, if you were assaulted, molested, if you had, a parent leave you or abuse you, hit you, whatever, and you think you're unlovable, you're worthless, all these stories, you can heal from that. You can recognize that the meaning that we give this stuff. And as I mentioned earlier, the past is the past. You're not going to undo the beatings or the assault or whatever it might be, but you can frame a new identity for yourself and give new meaning to what happened there, and you can forgive yourself and others and move forward in a way that allows it to not continue something that might have happened 10, 20, 30, 50 years ago.